Mammal that lives a very slow lifestyle for its entire life? Can there be an animal in the world that is so slow that it even blinks? If you are interested in animals, you probably already know this animal. Sloth is an animal native to the tropical forests of South America and Central America. No matter what kind of upheaval happens in the forest, they don't need to be proactive on occasion. Their ultra-slow lifestyle is just as stable. An evolutionary trick: the tropical forests of South and Central America are not at all suitable for such an animal. The reason for this is the high diversity of predators in those forests. However, sloths do not exhibit the activity we normally see in mammals. Although their burrowing lifestyle is a powerful defense strategy, they have to come close to the ground to defecate. Even those few moments are enough to make them vulnerable to a predator. Although risky, it is now being revealed that sloths' slowness is a unique evolutionary trick. We are now preparing to inquire about it in depth. How slow was the sloth? The currently discovered sloth species fall into two main groups, as three-toed and two-toed. As the groups are named, sloths in one group have three-finger or long claw-like structures on their gills, while members of the other group have only two. They use these to hang on the branches of plants. All of these are miniature versions of the extinct giant sloths, said to have weighed several tons, that lived in prehistoric times. They lived during the last ice age, about 11,000 years ago, and were mammoths who managed to climb up from their hind limbs and reach for foliage. A sloth's diet is mostly leaf-based. The leaves they eat are very poor in nutrients, so they have to make do with the low-calorie intake. Because of this, they have a very slow metabolic rate. The slow metabolism has made a big impact on the lifestyle they lead today. But why such a change? Constant body temperature. Mammals, a group of organisms that maintain a constant internal body temperature. This provides an ability to successfully cope with external environmental temperature variations. This is why mammals are spread over a large geographical area. Maintaining a constant body temperature is an energy-intensive process. To maintain it, mammals have to eat a large amount of food relative to their body. Sloths are also mammals that maintain a constant body temperature. However, there is a common feature of the ecosystem they live in: tropical forests. Those tropical forests are relatively hot and humid ecosystems. Therefore, sloths do not have a great need for internal thermoregulation. Because the environment is naturally warm, this means they don't need to expend as much energy to keep their muscles and cardiovascular system warm. Protection of the green cover. If you observe a sloth closely, you can see how their fur has turned green. Although one may think that moss or algae are stationary or slow enough to grow on the body, scientists believe that it is actually a symbiotic relationship. Their fur is arranged in a special way, and it provides the necessary space for algae or moss to grow. Moreover, the sloth's body does not hesitate to allow even the growth of fungi. Surely, they are innocent. It is also an animal that can quickly get into danger. Although ruckus life is a tactic to escape terrestrial predators, they also need to escape dangers that may approach the canopy. Sloths are not strong enough to fight off a predator. Therefore, they have a need to blend in with the colors of the external environment. It can be thought that the algae, mosses, and fungi that grow in the body satisfy that need. How difficult it is to recognize an almost stationary object disguised.